Hello everyone, welcome to week 6 for BCom 3113, fall 2018. Let's just jump right in and see what we have to do this week. Obviously we are starting this second major assignment. I've already posted that assignment sheet. And this one is obviously not due for 3 weeks, so I want you to avoid the temptation to put it off, because it is one of those things that takes a long time, and so that's why I'm giving it to you now. But you have several weeks to work on it, and in the coming weeks, all the things that we're going to read, the chapters out of the textbook are going to apply directly to it. So the first two chapters, chapter 8 and 9, that we're reading this week, can help you get jump started on this assignment. So, okay, let's take a look. So obviously, we've got our outline, and again, the business message portfolio assignment sheet. I also posted a little walkthrough video that's got a little bit more of an explanation in there. Please ignore the due dates on there. I made that last year, but I just thought I'd leave that video on there. And the CEPD site, that will make more sense once you watch the video. I also have week 6 lecture videos that go into quite a bit of detail of things that are directly relevant to this big major assignment that you have. So make sure that you watch those. And then of course the Connect reading assignments. And then finally, one of the bigger things for this week is discussion assignment number 2. So again, if you go to the message board or the discussion board for that, you'll see these instructions here. So I want you to post your comments and responses. This is a real life bad news message from an executive VP at Microsoft a few years back. Funny enough, I had a student in class last semester that her father was affected directly by this bad news message. So anyway, I've got this whole long list of questions here. I'm not asking you to answer all those, so make sure that you don't misread that. But these are just things that can help jumpstart the discussion, and I want you guys to try to engage with each other. And so your grade is based on how how often you access this. So if you haven't posted yet, it's already Tuesday, you need to start now, and then log in a few other times between now and Sunday. All right, well, like every other week, if you have any questions, please email me. The other big thing obviously is that the grammar exercise is due Friday. If you have not done that, you are running out of time, you're up against the clock, and that is an all or nothing thing, which I've tried to warn many times. So if you miss it and don't get it finished by midnight or 11:59 on Friday, you're out of those points. So please get it done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and get to work.